Hi, I'm Hazel. Welcome to my sailing channel. In this episode, I say really intelligent things like fiddler crab. What does that mean? It is a type of crab, I do believe. And I cannot! Oh my god, I can't move forward. So, without further ado, let's get started. Last episode we sailed to this beautiful island named Kalatra, and that is where you are joining me today. So, our mission of today, still in Kalatra. We're going to the beach to pick up some rubbish. When we went to the beach the other day, there was actually quite a lot of it, so we thought we'd make a bit of a trip out of it and collect some of it up and bring it to the bin in town. But it's quite a long road actually to the beach. Are you tired?
Slightly. I'm not tired, it's just a slightly long road.
Yes. But I really like this anchorage, I'm quite happy with it here. So far. It could change in an instant. It's all in the bushes as well. Been what, 10 minutes? Yeah, like really short. 4 bags and a pile of too big. Yeah, I really wanted to make this like a long kind of section of the video, but the truth of the matter is we rode here for like half an hour, picked rubbish up for 10 minutes, and now we're gonna go back again because well, I hardly have any bin bags anymore. Also we have to transport this in our dinghy. I do think we made an impact though, even though it's very small on the scale of the whole island. Every little bit matters. So yeah. Yeah, that is pretty full, I'd say. We still have to fit in here as well. Okay, but we're just gonna row over to the other little bit of land so that we don't have to walk all the way around it and dump this stuff off in the bin. Okay, it's my time to row, so yay me, I guess. Another little cleanup job I had planned was to look into my canned locker. I had smelled something funny in there earlier in the day. Turns out one of my peach cans had burst and filled the locker with sticky, gooey yuck, which I then had the delight of cleaning up. Do we know that this is a Roman settlement?
It says so on the sign.
Oh, what sign? Oh gosh. That sign.
You go back to the park and go that way.
Yeah. But cool, right?
Yeah.
We just happened on it by chance as well.
The ruins of fish and salting industry, apparently.
Oh.
That would explain why the
First
room
century
says Roman salting tanks.
Oh. Well. That's kind of cool, actually.
Yeah.
What a find. Alright, on to the pub.
Bunch of salty sailors on a crest. Salty in the true sense of the word, actually, since we all got soaking wet on the dinghy on the way over.
So, We're on a midnight trek, trying to find our way back to the dinghies. And my god, it is certainly an adventure, if that's what you want to call it.
Should I look at the map?
Maybe. Looking at the map sounds like a good idea. Let me just scale this. We have found a wooden path. This is a good sign. You think we should go the other way?
We should meet a path the other way. Yeah, we should meet a path the other way, then we turn right, and that should take us pretty well to where we want to be.
Okay. There is a path. So, how do we like our midnight escapade?
It's very good. So far, if it turns out well, it's brilliant.
As long as we find the dinghy and it's still there. Just looking at the map. Trying to find our way. You think it's down there?
I'm just checking my green dot. Yeah, I do.
Okay, so we're going down there, I guess. We're also doing a little sightseeing in the dark. Fiddler crab. What does that mean? It is a type of crab, I do believe. A low tide phenomenon. Oh no, the guys are going away from me. I have to catch up. Run. Wrong way?
Things are probably not quite right.
Oh dear.
And that everyone. Yeah.
So Evie, what are your thoughts on the midnight escapade?
I wish I had the light.
Yeah. Come on, follow my light. We made it. Yeah, now all we're going to do is row back.
Carry it to the water.
True. Forgot about that part. Wait, I'm going to grab one. Back to the boat. A little bit more to starboard, actually. Do you want to say again what a great adventure this is?
This has been a great adventure. As long as I managed to row us safely back to the boat. But it's been pretty good.
Yeah.
Really. And I do think, seeing as there was hardly any wind, our chances of getting back to the boat are quite strong.
I would knock on wood, but there's none here.
Yeah, knock on your head.
So you can knock on hyperlock.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Oh no, we're drifting away.
Oh no.
Evie.
Maybe grab that. Oh.
Alright, I'll grab one now. Drop your foot to
Second
Pecha.
flip flop. And fourth flip flop. And to me. You good, Hazel?
Yeah, I've got it.
Wow. What an adventure.
Wasn't it? Alright, you guys.
Good night.
Good night, sleep well.
Tomorrow. Don't lose your oars or your phone.
I'll try. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
And I'm back on the boat now too. What a great night. But it is certainly time for sleeping now. I'm gonna go to bed. Alrighty. See you tomorrow morning. There's a sea cucumbers. Oh, he's actually moving. I'll try not to drop my phone in the water. Beetroot tomato curry, just saying.
Get some beetroot now.
Yeah, why not?
someone's playing their own tune, like a small band playing because they don't monitor the internet. But if it's a famous song, you'll get copyrighted.
That is it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, of course, to my amazing patrons. I've got a little outtake for you at the end of this video from our rowing back in the dark. So if you like silliness and high-pitched squeaks laughing, then do please enjoy that. If not, then feel free to skip it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you again in 2 weeks. Bye!
Oh God, no, don't take anything away from me.
Oh my God. I'm also... I don't know if punting is going to do it though, because the oars will just sink in along with our feet. I cannot. Oh my God, I can't move forwards. Oh my God. I tried. I'm not. I'm trying to. Okay. I'm in. Yes. Where's? Look at this. Look at this.
Are we going forward? I believe we might.
We might need to go sideways to go forwards first.